Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually write articles and also make money online writing articles using ChatGPT, so make sure to stay tuned. But before we hop properly into today's video, if you're new to my YouTube channel, you see my face for the very first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel as I do upload lovely informative content as you're about to watch again in today's video. And yeah, without wasting much more time, let's hop into the main tutorial. So first things first is you want to open chat.openai.com. It's very important. If possible, have chat.openai.com in your normal home screen of your Chrome page, okay? And if you don't have a system, you can also do this on your mobile device. You basically want to go to chat.openai.com on your mobile device. As you can see, either it's iOS or even Android, whichever. As you can see, this is it on my mobile device. You basically want to do the same thing I'm going to be doing on my screen right now. Okay, so yeah, first things first is you want to ask ChatGPT, write me an article based on this. Okay, write me an article based on that. Write me an article in 500 words. Write me an article in 600 words. You basically want to specify, okay? You want to be specific on the type of article you want, okay? For example, write me an article based on romance between or based on romance. Okay, let's leave it that way. Okay, let's be simple for now. Okay, so romance is a feeling of excitement and mystery associated with love. As you can see, ChatGPT is going to generate this based on its own ideas. Okay, so let's wait for ChatGPT to be done, and then I'm going to show you guys more things you can actually do. Okay, so immediately ChatGPT is done, basically what you want to do is, if you're not okay with what ChatGPT provides, you basically want to tell ChatGPT to tell you more. Okay, you want to see ChatGPT as a normal individual or as a robot you can actually ask and ask. Okay, you want to put that in your memory. Okay, so basically you want to ask ChatGPT, tell me more, or write me more words, write me more 500 words, right? You just want to be specific. So that's basically the idea. Okay, so you want to tell ChatGPT, write me an article based on the topic you want to write. Okay, so now how do you actually translate this to money? Okay, we have so many people out there who are actually looking for article writers. For example, a very good known website you can actually use article to make money is going to be guru.com. Okay, you basically want to go to guru.com. I'm going to show you guys real quick. Guru.com. Okay, guru.com. Okay, and basically you want to look for those people looking for article writers online, and then you want to tell them, okay, I can actually do this, I can help you write this article. Okay, and then you're being hired if you actually qualify for these specifications. Okay, and then you basically want to come to ChatGPT again and ask based on the article they require. Okay, so that's basically the idea. You come to chat.openai.com, ask ChatGPT, write me an article based on this in 600 words, for example, write me on life. Okay, so as it goes, as you can see, whichever type of article you want to write, you basically just want to ask ChatGPT. That's basically the idea. And then to translate this to money, number one is going to be guru.com. As you can see, you basically want to sign up over here. I'm not going to log into my page. Okay, you basically want to sign up, and then you want to search for article jobs. Okay, and the second way you can actually make money online is by doing this personally. Okay, by starting your own personal business through social media. Okay, you want to do social media marketing. Okay, you want to tell people, I'm actually writing articles for people, I can help you write articles, just one day or in 2 days, like that. And then you're being given the job, someone actually sees you and then tells you to actually write an article for them, and then you make your money. And then the other way you can actually make money through articles is going to be through the freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Quark, but those ones are actually, they have so many competitions. Okay, so the best way you can actually make money online through article writing is gonna be through social media platforms. Okay, through your friends and families. Okay, that's actually the fastest way you can actually earn money, by searching for people physically, or people you actually have more connections with, and then you're telling them you actually write articles, and then they can help you find people who are actually interested in people who can actually help them write these articles, and then you're being paid your money after you use ChatGPT. Okay, not everyone knows about ChatGPT. ChatGPT just came up, so you can actually use the opportunity now to actually make money using ChatGPT. So yeah, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from today's video and you still haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.